Hello, everyone. Meshell Baker. So this is Get Real with Meshell Baker, and it's gratitude every time. The question that has been posed today is, how can I make a vision board that does not end up in the back of my closet and is something that inspires me to keep moving forward towards my dream? So this is a very interesting question because the whole part of creating the vision board is around imploring or pulling out your capabilities, your biggest dreams, those big, hairy, audacious goals and dreams. And once you bring them to the forefront, it really almost does not matter where the board is, because I've heard stories of people who've made the boards, put the board somewhere, later moved and saw the board, and then they were literally living in the house that was on the board that they hadn't seen in years. So it really isn't about the actual board itself. The board has been created to give you like an advertisement, like an advertisement or reminder, so to speak, of who or what it is you want. I would say personally, from my process and the work that I do, if you want to be inspired by your board, instead of creating things that you want, create a board of who you become. I'm not the only person who says this. You can look everywhere. It's the process, it's the journey. I always say, if you're not happy with the journey, you won't enjoy the destination. So if you create a board that's not inspiring you and it's causing you to feel overwhelmed and frustrated and doubtful, then what's on the board isn't yours. It's maybe that you put some things on the board that you saw that other people had, or it's based off of old data or old set of truths that are not actually for you. So it's digging deeper, right? There's this term called the 5 whys. When you actually start asking yourself, like if you have a house in, the next to the ocean on there, right? I want a beachfront property. That's great. Why do you want it? Well, because I like the water. Why do you like the water, right? So literally answering that same question 5 times will help you uncover the root of truly why you want something, and that will create the inspiration. So I would say, based off of this, and actually it's interesting that this question was asked, because the question was asked of me of someone who doesn't know what I do. And I actually created this little sheet, and it has the 5 whys on it. And I just did that this weekend because I was going deeper into some things for myself. And it's that answering that same question: what inspires, ignites, and keeps me motivated to create a habit so that I'm moving forward? So again, why do you want? That's the compelling thing that creates the inspiration. And inspire is in, right? You, and it's that spirit of your truth. And you see I do all these air quotes because it's a little different for every person. And the biggest goal here is that you find something that keeps you motivated, keeps you going forward, so that in the midst of the challenges, the difficulties, the setback, you'll keep going. So definitely, I would say work with the 5 whys, and you'll see if it's truly what you're meant to be focused on. Have a great day and make a beautiful board. And if you have a board, tag me. And on it, where I put my name, hashtag Meshell R. Baker, and I'd love to see your board. I'm a big vision board fan. So, and if you don't have a board, I have a party every year. January 9th, 14th is the next one, 2023.